Hi, I'm Matthew Galling from the Mineral County Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make this, a magic amulet.
All right, so to start with, each kit should have one magic stone, two larger wires, two smaller wires, and one chain. Now, to start off with, we're going to take the magic stone and the larger wire and just wrap the wire around the stone, kind of like that. There we go. And then when you get to the ends, you're going to want to leave kind of a loop like that. Okay, so now we're going to take the thinner wire. I already unrolled one to save time. And we're just going to use this to bind this wire together so it's not so loose like this. So what you want to do, first wrap it around one end, get it secure on there, and then just start threading the wire like this. You're going to want to get it nice and tight so it's not too loose. And just keep on going from there. Okay. All right, so that took a bit longer than expected, so we had to jump ahead, but I'm nearing the end now, and I just wanted to show you how to end it off. So first, let me just, get a good look at how it's a little messy, but it holds together. The rock isn't going to fall out, and I just wanted to show you how to end it. So here, let me start. Just wrapping the last couple bits around like this. Oh, and here, it does help if you have pliers. It's not entirely necessary, but it does help, especially when it gets to this very end bit. All right, there we go. And then just take the end and wrap it around whatever closest. Like that. Oh, and let me get this. There we go. All right. Now, of course, this is a little bit rushed. We do have these other two wires to go along with it to make it a little bit prettier, a little bit nicer looking, but this is what I was able to accomplish. Now, for the very last bit, we just take the chain, put it through the loop we made at the top, and just like that, you have your very own magic amulet.